Hello, children. Welcome back. Good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and enjoyed your Diwali vacation. So, today we are going to start
Unit
with a new
3
topic
and
of EVS
topic
subject,
is festivals
chapter
and
11.
celebrations. Children, as you know, India is a country of many people having different religions. In India, we enjoy many festivals. There are two types of festivals. First, religion festivals, and second is national festivals. Festival time is fun time. It brings happiness to the family. Diwali. Children, Diwali in India is the main festival. It is also called Festival of Lights. People light lamps and burst crackers. Sweets and gifts are shared with one another. So, children, which is the festival in which you play with colors? Anyone? Yes, it is Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. People spray colors on one another. We should use eco-friendly colors so that we do not harm our skin. So children, next festival is Eid. Eid is a Muslim festival. It is celebrated at the end of the holy month of Ramzan. People offer prayers at the mosque. Children, on this festival, Sevai is prepared. On this occasion, it is a sweet dish. So, which is the next festival? Yes, it is Dussehra. Dussehra is a festival that marks the victory of good over evil. The effigy of Ravana is burnt on Dussehra. Children, do you know what is the meaning of effigy? F-F-I-G-E. It means putla. So, this effigy is burnt on Dussehra. It is a victory of good over evil. So, children, which is our next festival? Anyone? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Any guesses? Yes, it is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. It is the day when Jesus Christ was born. Christmas tree is decorated with lights and gifts. People go to church to offer prayers. So children, next festival is Gurpurab. On Gurpurab, the Sikhs pray in the Gurdwara. A procession is taken out by them and firecrackers are burst. And do you know the meaning of procession? Procession. It means jalous. It is taken out by them and firecrackers are burst. भैया मोरे राखी के बंधन को निभाना. So children, which is this festival? Anyone? Yes, it is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival for brothers and sisters. The sister ties a rakhi on her brother's wrist and brother gives gift to her sister. Children, next festival is Navroj. It is the festival of Parsi. Navroj is a New Year festival. People wish one another Saal Mubarak. Children, there are many other festivals that are celebrated in India. People also celebrate Buddha Jayanti, the birth anniversary of Lord Buddha. Similarly, Mahavir Jayanti is the celebration of the birth of Lord Mahavir. So children, which are the festivals today we have learned which are celebrated in India? Diwali, Holi, Eid, Dasara, Christmas, Gurpurab, Raksha Bandhan and Navroj. So children, now it is time for celebrations. There are other special days for celebration in a family. Children, we also celebrate our birthday of each family member. See what Rahul is having on his birthday. He is having a great birthday party. Rahul distributes cake and chocolates to his friends and enjoy the birthday party. Children, do you know in school we celebrate national festivals. We celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August. On this day we got independence and we pay respect to all leaders who fought bravely for our country. Next is Republic Day. On 26th January, we celebrate Republic Day. We hoist the national flag and sing national anthem. We also sing national anthem on 15th August on Independence Day and give tribute to our great freedom fighters. So children, next is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. It is time for the celebration of Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. Do you know that he was the first Prime Minister of India? He was also called as Chacha Nehru because he loved children. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. We show our love and respect for our teachers on this day. Children, give gifts, make greeting cards, or give flowers to their teachers. So, children, our national festivals are first Independence Day, second Republic Day, and third is Gandhi Jayanti. So, children, today what we have learned? First, festival time is fun time. Festivals bring happiness to the family. So, children, thank you. Bye and have a good day.
Hello, children. Good morning to all. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, children, do you remember what we have learned in our previous lecture? Anyone? Yes, we have learned about festivals and celebrations. Festival time is fun time. Festivals bring happiness to the family. So, children, we are going to start with the new topic, our neighborhood, from Unit 4, Chapter number 12. Children, before moving to our chapter, our neighborhood, children, let us see the difference in a city and in a village. In the city, we see big buildings. B-I-G, big buildings. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G-S, buildings. B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridges. So, children, what is next? Sky walks. S-K-Y, sky walks. W-A-L-K-S, sky walks. So, children, what is this? Anyone? Yes, it is railway stations. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway stations. S-T-A-T-I-O-N-S, stations. Children, we also see many vehicles on the road. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. And children, you know that the city is always crowded. So, in the city, we see big buildings, bridges, skywalks, railway stations, and many vehicles on the road. So, children, in the village, we can see small huts. H-U-T-S, huts. Next is what? Fields. F-I-E-L-D-S, fields. Next is animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Children, can anyone tell me what is this? Yes, it is wells. W-E-L-L-S, wells. Children, what is this? Anyone? Yes, it is bullock carts. B-U-L-L-O-C
K. Bullock carts. CARTS. Bullock carts. Children, what is this? Tractors. 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 In the villages, we can see many trees all around. TREES. Trees. So children, in the villages, we see small huts, fields, animals, wells, bullock carts, tractors, and trees all around. Children, do you know, in villages, people live very simple life. The environment of the village is very good. We get fresh air, and in the village, crowd is very less as compared to city. City is always crowded. There is air pollution and people live very busy life. We live with our family in our house. Many families live near our house. They are our neighbors. Children, whether we are living in the villages or we visit sometime in summer, or we are living in the city, we should keep our neighborhood clean. We should grow more trees in the neighborhood. We should maintain good relations with them because they help us in our difficult time. So children, what we have learned today? First, people living near our house are our neighbors. Second, the places around our houses make up our neighborhood. We should keep our neighborhood clean. So children, bye. Take care. Thank you and have a nice day.